Okay, we're going to try this hoverboard motor as a lathe head chuck. Got everything lined up properly here, so it's closed. I pulled out the gears for now, but anyways, yeah. So the rear end board here is hooked up to PWM. There's a P and a ground, and see we got power, and we got hooked up to 9 on the Mega board, and then we're going to use the we don't need that. Okay, we're going to use the let's see, fade. So it's going to start at 5 and go up to 155, and then go back down 1 increment at a time, and I just did this a minute ago and it locked up on me, so I changed the starting point from brightness to 10 to 5. So we'll see how this works. Plug in the Arduino and give it a second. So it's starting and stopping pretty good. So that's the fade program. I had a guy on YouTube saying that he has no torque. I just had an accident with this a second ago, and let me tell you, this thing's got some torque. Yep, there it is. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Looks pretty good. We'll shut it off now. So that's our Arduino Mega with the fade program as a test. We've got the Arduino hooked up to the PWM module on the rear end board. So P for PWM, and wow, that sun is bright. And G for ground. And yeah, it works pretty good. Next thing is I'm going to try and put something in the chuck and see what we can do with it. And that's it, folks. Part 3 would be interfacing Python to the Arduino, and see if we can get that to work.